All right, guys, welcome back to our Roadmap Journey series. We are now moving on to Module 23, TikTok. So, they kick this module off with just a general understanding of TikTok, the intro, and how much the platform has grown to try to make you understand how massive of a business you can build on TikTok. For some of the older generation who still feels like TikTok is just a place where kids come and dance and, prank each other and whatever TikTok was known for 5, 6 years ago, those days are gone. It is now primed for business growth, and they're going to give you all of the fundamentals that you need to grow on TikTok and then give you some advanced techniques along the way. So the first one is how to optimize your profile, how to go into the TikTok platform, how to customize your bio. Obviously, if you're just starting out and you haven't reached 1,000 followers, you do not have the option to put your link to your Stan Store in yet, right? You have to build up your audience enough to be able to do that. Now, that doesn't mean that you can't take advantage of making sure that there's something very captivating and compelling in your bio that attracts people to want to follow you and learn more about you. So then you're going to go into how to edit your playlists. Now, this is a little bit more of an advanced feature. Just like I mentioned before, you have to have 1,000 followers in order to put your personalized link. You have to have 10,000 followers in order to create playlists. But when you hit that mark, this would be the video to go back and watch. She's going to show you how to edit your playlist, how to do it, how to organize it, so that way it makes it easy for viewers to come on and find your content. So then they're going to go into the power of a pinned post. Now, if you don't know what a pinned post is, that means taking a video that's further down your list and pinning it so it is the first video that's up there. On TikTok, you can have up to 3 pinned posts. And so, what she's explaining is the power of taking a video that really hammers home what you do, right? It has your vision, your mission, it explains your brand, what you bring to the table. You want to make sure that that post is pinned all the way up to the top. It doesn't matter if it has 200 views. If it is something that you feel someone would click into your page and watch that video and have a phenomenal understanding about what it is that your page is about, that's where you want to have it. Right at the top where someone sees it right away. So the power of a pinned post comes from making it visible and making sure that whatever you're pinning, it isn't just the video that has the most views on it. It's something that coincides with the values that you represent as a business. So then she's going to show you how to SEO your content. Now, for the seasoned people who have been on TikTok for a while, you understand this. But for the people who are not too seasoned and aren't used to doing this and don't need people to find their content, they're just posting it for fun, but now they're diving into the world of digital marketing and they want those posts seen and they want to be able to be viewed as many times as possible. This is where you're going to watch this video and you're going to implement everything that she's talking about on how to SEO your content so your videos come up to the top in search. So then she's going to try and help you to determine if your content is optimized or not. If you've implemented everything that she mentioned in the prior video about SEOing your content, then hopefully all of the keywords that you've put into your screen, that you've put into your captions, that you've put into your title are all now helping you get populated into that search bar at the top. So she's going to show you how to do all of that, how to put yourself in the best situation so the video that you're creating actually has a subject in that search bar and that subject is relevant to the video, so when people are searching it, your video is one of the top videos that come up. So then she's going to go into the proper use of hashtags. What's not enough, what's too much, how do you go about getting the proper hashtag for your video, what's the research that you have to do. They're going to break all that down in this video. And so they're going to round this entire module out with the most basic of basics, which makes sense. If you're someone who has never made a video on TikTok, you should know how to do this. So she's going to show you how to create your first video on TikTok, how to go in and capture video live, or how to go ahead and upload a video that you've pre-recorded, how to edit it, how to put it up, how to post it, all of that stuff. So all of the basics. And that will wrap it up for this module. We are now going to be moving into the next module, which is all about Instagram. So we will cover everything that module has to offer in our next video. If you have any questions at all, please leave them in the comments. And like always, guys, thank you and have a great day.